welcome back to Country Views. I have another great recipe for you guys today. It is pan-fried, oven-fried pork steaks. Now, the reason why I call it that is because this is the pan or the oven-fried stuff that where you put it in the oven, but we're gonna pan-fry it, and we're gonna actually add some other stuff to it. We're gonna add some cilantro. This is my twist, guys. That's about a palm full, a small palm. You always want to add a little more salt. Okay. And a little more black pepper. Alright. And you just want to give it a mix around with your tongs that you're using. Mix it up as good as you can get it. For newcomers, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I also have Instagram and Facebook. Alright, so now we're going to open this up. Now, these are already moistened, so I don't have to dip them in anything. Okay, they're wet. Over here, I have some oil heating up in a pan. Okay, now, the kind of oil I like to cook these in is 100% sunflower oil. It makes a difference. It gives it good flavor. Does it not, Cam?
Yes, it does.
Alright, so just take your big old steak here, and you're going to have to do it in sections, okay? And you're going to flip it around in here. Okay? Because these are big pork steaks. I'm surprised if you eat a whole one, but you might. I know my husband can. He loves these things. What about you, Cam? You think you can eat a whole one here?
Oh, yeah.
As long as it quits flying apart on me. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and check my oil. Now, normally you'll check it with the wooden handle, but I don't have anything right now, so I'm going to take some of my seasoning. See how it bubbles like that? That's what you want, okay? Now we're gonna bring this over here, this messy thing, and we are going to start pan frying it. See, it's almost too big for the pan. But what I do is I cover this so it can get a good crispy thing on the top and your oil doesn't splash everywhere. So while that one's going, I'm gonna dip another one so you guys can see if they're fully thawed out here, guys. Well, let's see here. Yep, I think these are not fully thawed. Let's see here. Make sure they're fully thawed, you guys. I kind of took these out too late today, so they're not fully thawed, but that's okay. I can pry them apart. Alright, we'll just soak them in hot water. Let me come over here. Okay. And you want to go ahead and give this a flip. And be very careful. Look at that golden flavor there. And you're going to flip this a few more times before it's actually done, okay? So I'm going to continue working on these, and when they are done, I will show you what I'm going to pair them with. Alright, guys. It is done. The fried pork steak. We paired it with baked beans and corn and some barbecue sauce on top. Cam is going to taste test and let you know what it tastes like. There's the pork steak first. Is it good? Can I get it oh so yummy?
Oh, it's also yummy.
Alright, now let them know what it tastes like paired with the corn and baked beans, Cam. Yeah, pairs well with that, don't it?
Delicious.
All right, and then let them see what the corn. Corn goes really well with this kind of steak, you guys. It is a pork steak, but it's delicious. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thank you for visiting Country Views. I'm gonna give the camera back to Cam so I can tell you guys bye. So thank you for visiting us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.